Welcome back. Now, Stripe has pricing for every transaction that you generate. Whether that transaction comes through your website or someone purchasing a service from you through an invoice, you will be paying Stripe a fee. And that fee is going to be 2.9% of the dollar amount plus 30 cents per successful card charge. Now, international cards are going to be slightly different. There's going to be an additional percent paid for that kind of card. If through an invoice you're paid through ACH debit, that is going to have specific pricing with it also. Now, you'll note that if you're using in-person payments with specifically Stripe Terminal, the cost will be slightly less than the typical transaction that occurs through your website. If you have a chargeback, the cost will be $15 per dispute, whether you win that dispute or not. You'll also note that when you receive a Stripe payment, that payout can take between 2 and 3 additional business days before it's deposited into your bank account. Now, when you begin processing live payments, the very first payment won't hit your bank account for 7 to 10 days after you've generated the transaction through the Stripe gateway. So you'll want to keep that in mind when you're actually going to be adding your bank account to your Stripe gateway. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.